friends, yesterday I told you about the financial planning, and now this class session is related to the financial management, and we have to discuss about the important term, that the financial decisions, in which we have to discuss about three decisions, mainly three decisions. The first one is investment, another one is dividend decision, and the last one is financing decision. So these three decisions we have to discuss about under the financial management, and all three decisions are very important, in which we have to learn about the different factors which may affect the different type of decisions taken by the financial management to perform the different financial activities. So before starting the investment decision, we just recall the meaning of financial management. Financial management is an important term which is utilized by the company to create the availability of fund in the organization. It create the relations between debt and equity so that all type of financial activities can be performed easily in the organization without facing any type of shortage of fund. As I told you yesterday, financial planning is an important part of financial management, which helps in creating the availability of fund as per the requirement of the organization. It removes all type of financial problems from the organization and helps the management to carry out all the financial activities in a best possible manner. That is why the financial management is an important term which is utilized by the companies to create the availability of fund at the time of requirement. Generally, it is very helpful to remove all type of business shocks and surprises. That is why it is an important part of the financial management also. Nowadays, every organization have one department that is called financial management department, or finance department, which helps the organization to get the financial support from outside of the organization, and also they generate the fund to meet the different financial needs of the organization. So today the topic is investment decision, and this decision is very important because through that decision the company is going to take the decision that in which project the company has to invest to get maximum output from there. So generally, if for example, Ravi is going to start one business in the economy, and before starting the business he takes the feedback from the market that if he is going to start the footwear business, then he will get 20% profit, whereas if he is going to start the garments business, then ultimately he will get 15% return from there. So what will be the conclusion over there, that Ravi has to start footwear business because it is more profitable. That is why the investment decision has taken by the companies to check out whether the project in which the company is going to invest profitable or not. If the project is profitable, then only the company will do the investment. If project is not profitable, then ultimately the company refuses to invest their money over there. That is why it is an important part, through that the company take the decision whether the company is going to invest, whether the company is not going to invest their money in that particular business. So that the investment decision has an importance in the eyes of the management also, because it prepares the blueprint for the company that in which project the company is going to invest. So before creating the investment, the company has to take several factors. Company has to analyze several factors which are there, which may be considered, comes under the factors affecting the investment decision, in which the first one is cash flow position. Cash flow position indicates the inflow and outflow of money from the organization. If more outflow take place from the company, then ultimately the more expenditure will arise over there and the project will not be profitable for the company. Whereas if more inflow take place, that means more income take place within the company, then ultimately the company prefer to do more and more investment in that particular project because the project is profitable. That is why we can say cash flow position affect the investment decision of the company, and in which the company can decide whether the company is going to do investment in that particular project or not. Return on investment. Return on investment means if a company have more ROI, more return on investment, then only the investment decision can be taken. Whereas if the company do not have more return on investment, then they refuse to invest their money in that particular project. That is why the return on investment is also very important for the company. For example, if a company has invested ₹1 crore in the project and the company is getting 1 crore 25 lakh from the project, then only the project will be profitable. Then only the company try to invest more money over there. If the company is getting 90 lakh by investing 1 crore, then ultimately it will the project will not be profitable. So that the company has to analyze whether the return on investment over the project is more, whether the return on investment over the project is less. So if more ROI take place, then only the company will take the decision to invest more money. If less ROI take place, then the company refuses to invest money in that particular project. The another one is degree of risk. As I told you earlier, risk is an essential part of the business which can be reduced but cannot be eliminated. Because the businessman who is getting money, he got the profit from the economy because he is taking risk from there. If he is not ready to take risk, then ultimately he will not get the profit from the economy. That is why we can say risk is an essential part of the business which can be reduced but cannot be eliminated. So degree of risk also helps the businessman to check out whether the project is profitable for him or not. If more risk take place over the business, then ultimately the businessman will not do more investment over there. If less risk take place, then only the businessman will ready to make more and more investment in that particular project. That is why we can say degree of risk is also very much essential for the company to take to perform the different business activities in the economy. The next one is control consideration. Before control consideration, you just look at the green board, look at the board and take the screenshot of it, because some of the factors are present in the book but many are not there. So you should take the screenshot of it. Okay students, now the next one is control consideration. If the company is ready to distribute the control, then ultimately the company want to, we can say the company is ready to invest, they are ready to collect the money from outsources. If the company want to take all the control in their own hand, then ultimately the company has to invest their own money. So also it affects the investment decision. The another one is other factors. Other factors means before starting the company, the management has to analyze the different factors those are available in the economy, because without the availability of labor, the business cannot perform. Without the availability of raw material, the business cannot perform. Without the other resources, the business cannot be performed. That is why we can say before investing the money, the businessman has to check out the several factors, whether the factors are available in that particular area or not. If we can say if I am going to start any of business in any of area, at first I have to check out whether the transportation system is available over there or not, whether the workers are available over there or not, whether the raw material is available over there or not, whether the electricity is available over there or not, whether the other amenities are available over there or not. If the resources are not available, then ultimately I will not take decision to invest my money over there. SMS, if any businessman is going to start his business in a particular area, he has to identify all the resources, whether the resources are available over there or not. If the resources are not available, then ultimately it will be very risky for the businessman to start up their business over there, because he will not get labor over there, he will not get raw material, he will not get manpower, he will not get electricity, he will not get hospitality, he will not get educational sector, he will not get the banking sector over there. Then ultimately a lot of problems may be arises and the businessman cannot run or even survive in that particular area. So that we can say students, these are the several factors which directly or indirectly affect the growth of the business, and it may be very helpful for the businessman to take the investment decision. If these resources are not available, if these things are not available, then it is quite impossible for the businessman to invest the money and start up their business over there. If these resources are easily available, if these factors are easily recognized and followed by the company, then only the business can be profitable for the company and the business can be run for a long period of time by the businessman. That is why we can say investment decision is a very crucial decision for the company, and it is also known as the capital budgeting decision for the company, and in which the company can prepare the blueprint that in which area the company is going to invest and in which area the company have the possibility to get maximum profit. So students, it is an important part of this chapter. You just go through it. I'll also send the notes related to it, and I'll also send some of the questions related to this topic. If you have any query further related to it, you may ask on my personal number. You can send your queries on my WhatsApp number, and I suggest you to watch the video again and again to know about this topic, because this topic is very important for the commerce section. It is very important for the student those are having the commerce stream, and also it is very important for the future prospects also. So you should watch the video again and again, and if you have any query you may ask. Okay student, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.